we get from here V is equals to Ki. We got an equation which relates the velocity to the current, which means the rate of change of velocity will be equals to K is a constant times the rate of change of current. Why am I saying that? Because simply we had a change of speed from 0 to 0.5, and the current also changed from 3 ampere to 1 ampere. So the rate of change of voltage will be because of the change of current times a constant K. And we will use that to find K, and we will get the value of X when the speed is 0.4. So this differentiation, what differentiating G of V and G of I. So whenever you see rate of change on both ends, you can directly plug in this sign, the integral sign. And now when the speed was 0, remember the current was 3.00 amperes over 3, and when the speed banked up to 0.5, the current was now 1, which means it will be 0.5. If you didn't do classes in integration, pretty sorry, that's not going to be easy. Just comment down below if you want some integration classes. You want to be taught integration by me, of course. But if not, then if you understand this, then good, fine. Let's keep going. K is a constant, so you'll just be out waiting to be used up later. It's equals to 1 minus 3. So these are definite integrals, so we don't need to put a constant of integration. And therefore 0.5 minus 0 is simply 0.5. It's equals to K. 1 minus 3 is negative 2K. And therefore K is equals to negative 1 and 4. Let's put negative 1 and 4. But you could simply put it the way your calculator puts it, that is 0.25. So why is it negative? I know a lot of people asking that. Why is it giving us a negative answer? It's simply because the negative here implies that this relationship is inversely proportional. When you draw a graph of speed, an arrow of speed against current, the slope will be actually negative. The slope will be going in a negative way. So that's what the negative sign means. So now we get K to be 1.4, to be negative 1.4, and therefore we can use it to find this. Remember, dV, rate of change of speed, is equals to rate of change of current. So we stick with our integral signs. And now when the speed was 0, we got a current of 3, and when the speed is 0.4, we don't know the current. That's what we're looking for. So we'll call that current X. But now we have K, and hence we can find X. So pretty easy. So we get 0.4 minus 0 is equals to constant of integration. We step aside, and we get an X minus a 3. Now from here on, I think you can leave the video because I know you are good at maths. But if not, champions, so let's keep going together little by little. We're not taking plain this time. Will be equals to kx minus 3. X will not subtract, so we have kx. Well, we know what kx is, right? K is negative. Here is negative 1 and 4, so it is negative x and 4 minus 3 and 4. So what are we going to do? We're going to add up x and 4 on both sides. So we get x and 4 plus 0.4 is equals to negative 3 and 4. Now what's 0.4? 0.4 is 4 divided by 10, which is normally 2 and 5. In case you didn't know, well, you could bank your own calculator. I know you guys are good at that, but it's equals to 2 and 5. 2 feet is equals to negative 3 and 4. Therefore, x and 4, we subtract both sides by 2 and 5. 2 and 5 plus 2 and 5 minus 2 and 5 is like 1 minus 1, which is 0. Is equals to like minus 3 and 4 minus 2 and 5. Okay, so x on 4 will be equals to, oops, okay, which is okay. Oh, sorry, I was really thinking that there's something wrong somewhere. K is normally negative 1 and 4. Really sorry if you're confused all the way. I was thinking about that too. So I was looking for if you're paying attention. Whoa, if we're paying attention, right? I paid attention in the comments. Write it down. You're paying attention. You have a bonus marks for me. So which implies that, well, you can multiply all through by 4. But let's first of all add this up. This will be like 3 and 4 minus 2 and 5. Like so 7 and 20. 7 and 20, and hence x, which is at long last what we have been looking for since day one, the current that the toy car uses to get a speed of 0.4 ampere is equals to 720 times 4. 720 times 4 gives us 7 on 5 or 1.4. 7 on 5 ampere or 1.4, which is exactly the answer, which is it. How do I know that? Well, for each of these questions, the answer is always down. Yeah, that's it. 0.4. Can you see it? 0.4 ampere. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope it really helps you guys. Like, it would have helped me if I was searching for this. Unfortunately, I had to spend 2 days trying to get it. And well, we'll see you in the next physics question. Ciao.